Hi teacher, this is my personal reflection about the K activity. In the case of the question number 1, I would say that yes, we accomplished all the targets that were for this K activity. We did recognize all the real phenomenon, and we translated into a mathematical function. Yeah. The second one was to analyze and recognize the relationship and functions using sentences or text. And I would say that yes, we did accomplish this one because we were able to translate one to other and to understand what each graph was talking about. And the third one was to translate between verbal, tabular, graphical, and symbolical representations. And I will say that yes, because if you remember in our project, we did this with the dollars and pesos table. Okay, question number 2. Did you, well, yes, we were able to use math language and notation to represent this. And how do we do it? Well, we were already this thing was already taught to us by you or by Alex, and it was very easy because we already knew how to. And I think that's it because, well, it's quite easy, and we just need to take the variables in one and to try to put them into other to make it similar, or to make to try to represent it in other ways. The question number 3, yes, we were able to identify the variables. This was also easy because if you don't understand it in one, you need to, you may have to look for other example like the tabular one that was easy for me. And I think that it's very easy to understand the variables of a graph. And that's question number 4. Yes, well, not really, because we use the ones that were teaching to us, and it was quite, very easy to translate the information from from a graph to other. And I think that's the main answer for this one, because it was like take the space where it is located and to put it into the tabular, for example, to translate it to a graphical to a tabular. It was very easy because you only need to mark the point and write it in the tabular. And the 5 said that what I would choose to change in this activity, I think that it will be the examples, to have easier ones to make it more understandable to other people. But I think that we did a very good job, and that we that the examples that we took were very explicit and easy to understand.